Hello, in this video I'll show you how to set up coupon sync and auto affiliate commission using ARMember and Affiliate Press. First, go to the Affiliate Press Addons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Addons page where you can see all available add-ons. Now activate the coupon code add-on. The add-on has been activated. Now go to the ARMember Coupon Management page. This is the ARMember Coupons page. Here you can view and manage coupons. ARMember provides both single and bulk coupon creation functionality. This is the Add Coupon page. Click the Generate Coupon Code button to create a new code. Now set the discount and discount type. Enter the coupon label and set the number of allowed uses. Now select the membership plans. Only the selected plans will receive the discount during purchase. After that, select the period type. Then select the affiliate user. The coupon has been created successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Coupons page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Coupons page. Here you can also see ARMember coupons. Now go to the front end without using an affiliate link. This is the ARMember setup page. Now purchase a membership plan. Select the payment cycle and enter the required details. After that, select the payment method and enter the coupon code. Now click the Apply button. The coupon has been successfully applied. You can see the payable amount has changed and the discount has been applied. Now enter the card details and click the Pay button. The plan has been purchased successfully. Now go to the back-end Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Commissions page, where you can see all commission records. As you can see, the first record is for the ARMember Gold plan. This coupon icon indicates that the commission was generated using a coupon code.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.